1 year, 2 months, but it just doesn't seem like yesterday. We were still together, time has passed and things have changed. So why do I feel this way? Cause you're with somebody else, and I'm with somebody else. Whenever I think about the love we had, whenever I think about the love we made, I said that I'd be strong. Girl, I really thought that I'd move on, but still I find myself asking, do you still think of me like I think about you? Do you still dream of me? Cause I can't sleep without you. Tell me if time should make a change, then why do I feel the same? Your love has got me addicted. Said I don't know what to do with a chicken dick when I call you. Said I don't know I'll be with somebody else, I'll push the go. Tell me if time should make a change, then why do I feel the same? I know I gotta move on, but I'm so addicted to you. It's been long enough, don't know why I'm still holding on. If I had a wish, I would turn back the hands of time. Cause you don't know what you got until it's gone.